Right here I have the perfect commuting scooter that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Gotrax SD1 electric scooter. Now this is going to be perfect for the commuter because it is light and very easily maneuverable. You can also fold this down, making it very accessible to take on a bus with you. You can put this in your car very easily or carry it to an office or a business, and it is pretty light. These come in different colors, so it gives you a lot of options to choose from. You can get black, pink, orange. I ended up opting for the white and it looks great. I love how you get some more white accents in here, but let's go over some of the key details that this scooter has to offer. Now this scooter has a very nice LCD screen that shows you the battery level and then also which setting you're in and your miles per hour, so that's going to be very helpful. And this also has a nice bell just to give yourself a little bit more attention. Now this also has a headlight on here, which is going to be super valuable because if you are riding in the dusk or night, it is going to shine the way very nicely. And I do love that you can angle it up and down very easily. I like the grips, really grippy, and it is really firm. You get a pretty wide handlebar as well, so it makes it very easy to control. You do get a nice brake here in the front. This is going to have an electronic ABS system built into it, and you get a pretty wide deck that is grippy. Fits my feet pretty well, and this holds up to 220 pounds of weight, which is pretty awesome. And this thing also goes 15.5 miles an hour. So that is going to be perfect for somebody that is trying to commute, or if this is going to be one of your first scooters, like an entry-level scooter, this is going to be the perfect one for you to learn on because it's going to be super safe. Now this also has 8.5-inch tires, which is pretty good, guys. That's going to help you get over curbs. It's going to help you get over gravel, maybe a little bit of dirt, a little bit of rough terrain. So the 8.5-inch tire is definitely going to shine on that aspect. Now it is a little bit wide too, so that's also going to help. Now one of the things I do love about this scooter is it does have a little red piece right here that you can see that is a bag holder. So if you are using this to run down the street to maybe get some groceries, you can definitely throw a grocery bag on here, hang a couple of drinks or snacks, making this a nice little quick run commuter and very practical. As you can see, this scooter is standing up by itself because it does have a kickstand, and I do love that because if you do want to park it, run inside somewhere, it just is a nice presentation. You don't have to lay this on the ground, keeping it really nice and not scratched up. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and you can change between the settings. You can have a walking speed on here too, so if you are riding this on a sidewalk with pedestrians, this will limit you to about 3 miles an hour, which is nice. So then you don't have to adjust the speed and keep it throttled there. It just sits in that nice comfortable spot and making it really easy to be seen and keep up with pedestrians. You can also change this to the regular mode, which is going to give you a speed of 15.5 miles an hour, and that is pretty impressive for this scooter. One thing that I do like if you are using this as a commuter is it does have a cruise control. So if you keep the throttle down about 8 to 10 seconds, this will automatically adjust that speed. So you don't have to keep your thumb there. It will automatically just do the work for you. And if you want to exit that mode, you just press the brake or the throttle and it'll shut off. Now this also is going to be equipped with fenders in the front and the rear. So if you do run over a little bit of water or mud or dirt, it's going to keep that off of your clothes and keep the scooter nice and safe. One of my favorite features that I love about this is it does have a nice ambient light on the side. And that's going to be like a 3-line. It's going to be like a white light. And that is going to glow when you have the scooter on. It's going to bring a little bit of attention to the scooter, help you to be seen easily from the side. It also is just going to look really cool. Now, speaking of being seen from the side, it also is going to have reflectors on the front of the scooter on the forks. And this scooter also has a 9 to 12 mile runtime. And then whenever you got to charge the scooter, it charges quickly in about 4 hours. And this scooter can also conquer a 10% grade. So if you are going up a little grade, that is going to be helpful. And this scooter does have a 250 watt, 48 volt battery. Now to fold this scooter, all you're going to do is put the kickstand up, hit the lever in the front, pull that down. It's going to take just a little bit of force. And then we have this piece right here that we're just going to pull up with our finger, and it's going to lock right into the fender. Now from there, you can pick this thing up, and honestly, it feels probably about like 30 pounds, 35 pounds. It's pretty light, and from a drop of a side, you could definitely carry this and you wouldn't be too fatigued. The handle's pretty thin, so it makes it easier to carry, making this really practical. Check out how cool those lights are on the side. I love those ambient lights. And honestly, this scooter is really awesome. If you're looking for that starter scooter, entry level, or a great commuter, this is definitely one that I recommend. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.